Today we'll be cleaning the HK VP9 SK. Today we'll be using some hop solvent, some Militech oil, a cleaning brush, and a 9mm bore snake. Like always, we'll want to make sure the pistol is unloaded and clear of any ammunition. The first thing we'll need to do is move the takedown lever 90 degrees. Once that's down, you can move the slide forward directly off the frame. Next, we'll remove the recoil spring and the barrel. Now that the firearm's disassembled, we can start the cleaning process. I'll start with a little bit of hops in the cleaning brush, and I'll work the brush all over the slide to make sure I'm removing any excess debris. I'll then move on to the barrel, paying close attention to the feed ramp in the chamber. The recoil spring assembly isn't too dirty, so I'm not going to spend a ton of time on that. Then I'll move on to the frame. I'll add a little more hops to the brush and spend a little bit of extra time on the frame with all the little areas that need cleaning. Before I start wiping the gun down, I'm going to run the bore snake through the barrel just a couple of times. That's usually all it takes. With some clean paper towels, I'll wipe down every component of the firearm, starting with the slide. I'll then move on to the barrel, the recoil spring assembly, and the frame. Again, even wiping down the frame will take a little bit of extra time. You want to make sure that you're getting all the residue that you can. Moving on to the oil, I'll place a couple of drops on both sides of the slide. Then I'll place one drop of oil on the barrel and spread it around with my finger. A little goes a long way on the barrel. Finally, I'll move on to the reassembly. I'll start with placing the barrel back into the slide, then the recoil assembly, then I'll mate the slide to the frame. Once the slide's back on, don't forget to move the takedown lever back into its locked position. There you have it, a clean HK VP9 SK.